Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Chinyasha channel. Today we are back with a super special, easy and instant sambar recipe. Now this is an instant radish sambar recipe. This tastes absolutely delicious, especially when you serve this with hot rice. The main ingredient in this sambar is radish. Radish are rich in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients help to lower the high blood pressure. Now let's see the ingredients. We need curry leaves, 3 tomatoes, 6 to 7 green chilies, 1 kg radish, tamarind and 2 onions. Now I have cut the radish into medium sized pieces and I have chopped the onions and tomatoes, slit the green chilies here. I have soaked the tamarind in the lukewarm water. Soaking the tamarind in lukewarm water helps to extract more pulp. Now let's get into the cooking procedure. Into a pressure cooker, I'm adding half a glass of water. Now here I'm adding the vegetables directly into the cooker. Here I'm adding the radish. Now I'm adding the chopped tomatoes and the green chilies. Add chopped onions. Here I've kept little onions aside for tempering. Now I'm adding curry leaves. After adding all the vegetables, here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. I'm adding half a tablespoon of chili powder. Now to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of homemade sambar powder. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now close the lid and pressure cook them for about 4 to 5 whistles. Now after 4 to 5 whistles, radish is cooked here. Instead of radish, you can replace it with carrot, brinjal, drumstick. It is as per your choice and the availability of the vegetables at your home at that time. Now here I'm adding the tamarind water. I have soaked the tamarind in the lukewarm water and I have squeezed it well and strained the water. Now after adding the tamarind pulp, give a gentle stir. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin and fenugreek powder. I have dry roasted cumin and fenugreek and I have powdered them. Adding this powder takes the recipe to the next level. Now here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of jowar powder and I'm mixing it in 100 ml of water. Mix it well until no lumps are formed. This mixture I'm going to add in the sambar. This mixture gives the thickness to the sambar. Now instead of jowar flour, you can also add besan or the rice flour. But why I use jowar is it helps the sambar to last for a long time. You can use the sambar for 2 days without keeping in refrigerator. Now here I'm adding the hing. Now after this, let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and put off the flame. Now for this yummy sambar, let's give a good tempering. For the tempering, I have taken a small tempering pan and I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. To this oil, here I am adding the fenugreek seeds, about half a spoon of jeera, that's cumin. Now I am adding half a spoon of mustard and 2 red chilies. Now here I'm adding the chopped onions. I have taken 1 medium size onion here. Adding onions to the tempering gives a very good taste. Add curry leaves. If it is normal tempering, just 2 to 3 minutes is enough for it. But since we are adding onions here, it has to be turned golden brown like this. Only after that the tempering is done. Now let's add the tempering to the yummy sambar and the sambar is ready to serve. This sambar goes very well with idli, dosa, upma, all the breakfasts, and it goes very well with the hot rice with ghee also. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. Most importantly, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive further notifications from this channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.